Day in my life, raising two toddlers in German countryside. Hello mga momshies! Kamusta kayo? Maulan na panahon dito sa Germany. Maaga pang natulog ang mga bata kaya maaga rin akong nakapaglinis at nakapag-me time. Ayan na, ready ng baon ng mga bata. Napak ko na, ilagay ko na lang sa bag yan. It's Tuesday, 12:25. We are about to pick up Ate Nana and it's raining. Ayan, na-pick up na namin si ate. So, laro muna sila bago kami pupunta ng Edika. Laura? No?
Please.
No? Mga bata, basta umuulan. Muddy paddles. Si Laura, hindi ko nasuotan ng boots kasi hindi ako nakabili ng size niya. Sobrang liit kasi ng paa niya eh. Nasa 18 lang yata.
When I was not ready, he used to dry it really fast up. That's why.
You mean the hair dryer?
Yeah.
No, of course not. That's food. Hair dryer is for my hair, not for food.
I did turn on now.
Laura, careful.
What is this? Size, Mama?
No.
What?
Yeah, it's high.
What, Mama?
Yes, it's high.
I put. Mama, I'm hungry.
Huh?
That's it. That's it. That's it, Mama.
Hmm?
That's it. What's that's it?
Sabi na yung mata. Why?
Papa, see that?
So, it's Thursday afternoon mga momshies. It's time to pick up our ate. This week talagang momshies is sobrang maulan. So, lagi na lang kaming naka-raincoat at saka naka-rain boots. Ito talaga yung gusto ng mga bata, yung magtampisaw sa ulan. So, hinihintay ko lang sila kung hanggang kailan sila magsawa bago umuwi. Kasi pag i-stop mo sila, talagang iiyakan ka nila. So, ayan, pauwi na kami kasi si Laura basa na yung pants niya. Nagluto kami ng aking mga anak ng banana cake. So, sila lang nag-mix. Ako ang nagbibigay ng ingredients. Ayan na, luto na mga guys. Ito, ang init pa, kaya na ano siya. Na, ano ba to? Naguba. Pero, sarap. Nilagyan ko siya ng chocolate sa loob. I mean, miniksan ko ng chocolate chips. Hanggang dito na lang muna mga momshies. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye!